and more good news. Okay, so now, ladies and gentlemen, so please help me to welcome our second speaker, Miss Ina.
Thank you so much, Julia. Wait, natatawa pa ako. Naka-ID pa po ako. I'm still wearing my ID right now. I was rushing. I'm so sorry for being late. But thank you for attending this session. Thank you also, Michael, for prolonging your part. Again, I apologize for being late, but I am here now. I am here to briefly explain to you guys what's new to our Core Plan and Core Plus this coming 2026, which is, by the way, 2 or 3 weeks from now, September na po. So it's already the new year, it's already the new fiscal year. So we are gearing up for September, and we want to showcase the new incentives that we have, especially for our new ABOs, for our business builders, and of course to our leaders. So allow me to share my screen. Miss Lily, can you sorry, Miss Saide or Miss Lily, can you co-host me so I can share my screen?
Broad, please co-host Miss Ina. Co-host lang din po kasi ako.
Ay, sorry. Sir Broderick, can you co-host me?
Naku, patay si Bro. Nandyan kaya?
Ayan, okay na. Hold on.
Ayun, okay na.
So let me know if you can share, if you can see the screen now. Can you see na po yung screen?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Okay na.
teacher. Ay, yes,
Okay.
Miss Ina.
Thank you. Ayan. So again, this evening, just very quickly, we will run through to the new additional incentives that we have in Core Plan, which is, I think, all you know already, all about AMPay. The new update lang naman po for Amoy, it is being paid na on a weekly basis. So for some of you, or I think for majority of you, you already know or you are already enjoying your AMPay weekly payments. You are already getting it starting last June pa. And it will continue being paid on a weekly basis for a long run po. Ayan. So yun lang yung new natin for the core plan. But of course, as we always say, core plan is the basis of your core plus. The higher your core plan bonus is, the higher your core plus bonus will be. So the new additional bonuses in under core plus or our discretionary incentives are the strong start, yung mga naka-green po on our slides here, the strong start incentive, BFI consistency bonus, bronze breakout, first time silver bonus, and of course, the TTCI, which now includes the new platinum or the platinum level. Now, before we proceed, baka po kasi you will notice that we will be, or along the computations that we have here, we will be using the new bundles that we have or that we introduced last unpacking dun sa Timberland po. So this is the start of the day, right, with prebiotics. Why we are adding prebiotics? Because based on science, we found out that fiber, our Nutri-Fiber blend, can also help our gut with fighting and feeding the good bacteria in our body. So now we are starting the day with double X, of course, the multivitamins, all plant protein for the protein needed of our body, and now added on the Nutri-Fiber blend. So we'll release some updates on where this new bundle will start. But this is the AES price or customer price for this is 6,855, and the ABO price is 6,156. So this bundle will already give you or generate you 106.82 PV. So malaking bagay na po siya if you are generating or if you want to reach a certain level or a certain performance bonus schedule. So now, I'll show you lang just a brief computation here. So using and selling the products, as you all know, if you attended also our workshop last 2 weeks ago, Dags mentioned that what we need to do is duplicate, right? When we duplicate, meaning just find new prospect, find customers, and new EBOs who will do the same ng ginagawa po ninyo, duplication. So now, in this structure or in this figure, you as an EBO are just getting or just selling the Start the Day Ride with Prebiotics to your 4 customers. So as you all know, the PV generated from your customers pass ups to you as your personal PV. Nakakount po siya as PPV natin. So on this structure, you have 4 customers na bumibili ng same pack na ginagamit mo then, which is the Start the Day Ride with Prebiotics. Your AMPay bonus for this one is 2,742, while your performance bonus is 826. Why do you have performance bonus? Because you are reaching, pag nag-pass up po lahat ng volume ng customers ninyo sa inyo, it will give you 534.1 PPV, which falls under 3% multiplier, di ba? So, on your first month as an AB, let's say you are an ABO, on your first month and ginawa niyo tong structure na to, you will earn a potential income of 3,568. Why do we say potential? Because we are only relying on the products or on this bundle. Depende pa din po sa inyo on what products you will sell to your customers. So potentially, if you sell this bundle, you can earn up to 3,568. If not, that's also okay. You can also sell other products that we have. We're only using this bundle for computation purposes po. Now, the good news for our new ABOs is that if you do this consistently, or if you generate 150 PPV for 3 months as a new ABO, you will get an additional 1,250. So ano ba yung tinatawag nating incentive na yan? If you are a new ABO, you will be eligible to earn the Strong Start incentive. Again, this is targeted po to our new ABOs. That's why we want, as you all know, we need new bloods in the business. We need new customers. We need new ABOs or distributors in the business. So how do we keep them engaged, or how do we keep them motivated, is through the Strong Start incentive. The eligible ABOs for this one are those new ABOs who signed up last July, last month lang po, and onwards. So meaning, if they sign up last July, dapat they already started generating 150 PV last month or this month. They can start this month. If they do it for 3 months, meaning if they generated 150 PV for 3 months, they get 1,250. If they continue do it for another 3 months or for 6 months, they get 3,500. And if they do it for the whole year, meaning 12 months po silang nag-generate ng 150 PV, they will get 7,000. So that's a total of 11,750 pesos in a total year. This is just an additional incentive lang po for our new ABOs. On top of this, wala pa yung AMPay na weekly na nare-receive niya. Diba? So how does it work? So for ABO1 here, we have some tables here po. So if you will notice ABO1, kailangan kasi, as the rule says, within the 90 days of your sign up, dapat nakapag-start ka na ng 150. Otherwise, you will not be eligible anymore. Okay, yun po yung pinaka-importante doon. Within 90 days of your signing up, within the first 3 months actually, you need to start generating 150. Okay? If you miss the first 3 months or the first 3 months, you cannot earn the Strong Start incentive na po para sa mga new ABOs natin. Also, another thing to remember for Strong Start incentive, if they missed kahit 1 month lang po na 150, they will not be eligible anymore for the Strong Start incentive. So meaning they have to continuously generate 150 month on month on month. Wala po tayong skip month na tinatawag, okay? If you have any question po, let's address it later. Hindi ko lang nakikita yung chat box right now, but I'll address later yung chats po natin if there's any clarification or questions. Now, the step 2 is to move up to 9% or to move up to BFI. I'll run through this very, very quickly, but if you remember kanina dun sa first structure natin, you just have 4 customers. Imagine that those 4 customers is now your front line, who's also getting 4 customers. You will now have a total of 20 buyer. Ma'am, paano naging 20 buyer yon? So, ang gagawin niyo po, ikaw as an ABO plus 4 customers plus your 4 frontline, kanina na customers nyo lang din, and they also have 4 AES. So, i-add nyo lang po lahat ng tao sa group nyo na yon. That's a total of 20 buyers. Who's also purchasing the same product that we have, it will generate you 2,136 GPV, which falls under 9% bonus. Remember, if you are a first-time BFI earner, you get additional multiplier of 25%. So on this structure or on this step 2 na ginawa po ninyo, you can potentially earn 8,939. Now, if you do BFI consistently, you can earn additional 2,000 for being consistent. So do it for 3 months, meron ka additional 2,000. In the past, if you will remember, we have what we call BBI consistency. Diba? So sa BBI consistency naman, we still have that one. But you will earn 5,000 for the first 3 months. 6,000 for the first 5 months, and then 10,000 for 12 months na consistently BBI ka naman. But of course, we understand na medyo mahirap yung BBI, hindi kaya, baka pwedeng lower down natin ng konti. That's why we have now the BFI consistency. Yan. So as mentioned, it's pretty much the same as the BBI consistency. But this time, of course, medyo mas lower down ng konti yung incentive, but you still have to be consistent, or you still have to earn, or you will still earn the 25% multiplier apart from this additional income. So for 3 months of being consistent, qualifying for BFI, you will get additional 2,000 pesos. If you do it for 6 months, that's additional 4,000. And if you do it for 12 months, that's additional of 8,000, a total of 14,000 income or additional reward po. So again, this is on top of the 25% BFI multiplier that you get on those months na nagko-qualify po kayo. Don't forget that for the bronze incentive, we still have the 18-month qualification period, that within the 18-month qualification period, you can only earn 12 times or 12 months. So you have to be consistent in qualifying po sa BFI. The good thing about this naman is you can skip months. So for example, ma'am, ang first 3 months lang ang natapos ko, mag-BFI ako. That's okay, you will get the 2,000. And then let's say you have a skip month of 1 month. That's also okay. And then, but kailangan mong simulan ulit ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kasi yung first 3 months mo will not be counted dun sa 4,000 or dun sa 6 months mo. So, you have to be consistent month on month. Pwede kang mag-skip, but then again, kailangan mong buuin the second time around yung 6 months. Okay? Again, bakit ka pwedeng mag-skip? Remember, you have an 18-month window. So, pwede mo siyang gawin on months na kaya mong mag-BFI. If you missed some months, that's also okay as long as you can meet the 3 months, the 6 months, and the 12 months. Another question that I received just recently is, Ma'am, pwede ba akong mag 3 months, 3 months? Qualified ba ako for that? The answer is no. Of course, it has to move up. So parang kailangan nagmo-move up din siya. So 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. Hindi po pwedeng 3 months, skip month, 3 months ulit. So dapat continuous po tayo dyan sa pag-qualify ng Bronze Foundation Incentive. Okay, now on to step 3. Step 3 is move up to BPI. So kanina, nag-move up ka to Bronze Foundation. But of course, lagi nating sinasabi, if you do it religiously, if you sell product religiously and you duplicate what your upline is doing, nagpapasok ka parate ng new ABOs or ng new customers in the business, you will get to 15% or you will earn the BBI incentive. So through duplication, your structure kanina, nasa 9% ka lang, but if you duplicate what you've been doing or your downline's been duplicating kung ano yung ginagawa nyo, you will get a total buyer, you will get a 65 ABOs who's buying the same product. Kanina, meron ka lang 3 legs. This time, meron ka ng 9 legs. Who's also getting 4 customers every month or month on month. So, remember, nasa baba ka lang kanina. But this time, due to, dahil sa pag-move up mo or pagsisell mo ng product and pag-guide mo sa downlines mo, you are now at 15% level. So, nakakabuo ka na or you are now being called our business builders, right? So for BBI, you will still get po yung multiplier natin na 30%. So on this case, you can potentially earn 39,882. So again, if you do this or if you do this structure and if you sell this specific product, this is the potential earnings that you get. If you sell a different product, that's also okay. No problem with that. But of course, it will depend sa magiging earnings po natin kung ano yung sinisell nating product. Don't expect na kapag ang sinell natin is just, let's say, 1 bottle of acerola, you will get or you will earn 39,000. That's not how it works. Always remember that putting efforts always is always our number 1 priority. Efforts and of course, retailing. Okay, so another new incentive that we have is what we call the bronze breakout. To explain it in simple manner, kapag po kayo ay BBI earner, magkaroon lang kayo ng frontline nyo na nag-earn ng BFI, you will get an additional 2,500. Okay, let's say, Ma'am, meron akong, as BBI po ako, meron akong 2 frontline na BFI. 5,000 po ba'y makukuha ko? No po. You will still get 2,500 regardless kung gaano kadami yung BFI na leg ninyo, na frontline ninyo. But if they qualify, let's say, month-on-month BBI ka and month-on-month si frontline mo BFI din. Month-on-month you will get 2,500. Kahit same person po ito na nagko-qualify every month, you will still get 2,500. This is again on top of the 30% that you are getting from the Bronze Builder Incentive. Ayan. So as I've mentioned kanina, meron pa rin po tayo ng BBI consistency bonus. So for 6 months, that's 5,000, and if you qualify BBI for 12 months, you have 10,000 bonus. Step 4 naman po is to move up to 21% or silver producer or what we call the Q month, yung mga nakaka 21% po. If by any chance on your 6th month in the business or let's say kahit kahit old ABOs kayo na first time nyo pong magsi-silver producer, you will get an additional 10,000. Okay? First time lang po, ha? So, you can earn as much as 111,000 pesos on the month that you sell this product to your 200 buyers or to your customers, and you have 27 legs who also has 4 customers. So we know, again, this is hard. That's why hard work and effort ang kailangan natin to get to this level or to earn the 21% level. And I think lahat naman po tayo dito 21% level. 21% yung goal every month, di ba? But we wanna make it experiential and motivational sa mga new ABOs natin. That's why for the first timers, sa mga first time pong makaka-earn ng 21% level starting September onwards, you will get additional 10,000 pesos on top of your monthly bonus. Okay? Again, this is for the first time silver producer lang po. Ma'am, paano kung old ABO na ako or matagal na akong ABO pero hindi pa naman ako nagto 21%? You are also eligible for this one. If nag-silver producer na kayo, let's say 5 years ago, 7 years ago, unfortunately, hindi na tayo first time. So we are not eligible for this one. So again, all new SP or all new silver producer lang po is eligible to get 10,000 incentive reward starting September onwards. And then on step 5 is of course you, since nakapag 21% ka na, you are now a developing leader, or we will parang kikilalanin ka na namin as a developing leader kasi way past ka na sa business building. Meaning nakabuo ka na ng group mo. Remember kanina meron ka ng 65 people in your group. You are now a leader that can guide the group that you have here if you see this structure or if you are familiar with this structure. On this one, you can earn as much as 101,000. Ma'am, bakit ang liit? Actually, hindi siya maliit compared to kanina. Kanina kasi, you are earning additional 10,000 from the first time silver. Kaya siya 111. But this time around, since let's say second month mo ng 21%, that's 101,000. But of course, you are also earning our PGGI or our personal group growth incentive. I will not further discuss those annual bonuses, but the idea is, kaya ko sinabi po kanina that your core plan is the basis of your core plus because part of our core plus is the annual bonuses. So if you are qualifying month on month or nakaka 21% ka month on month, you will get an annual bonus which we release every November. Ayan. So additional bonus or additional pin level that we've added on the 2-time cash incentive is the platinum level. Last year, 2020, this year pala, 2025, we only have TTCI for Founders Platinum. So meaning kailangan first-time Founders Platinum ka to get 70,000 on year 1 and another 70,000 on year 2. But coming this September or coming PY 2026, basta po first-time platinum level kayo, you will get additional 35,000 pesos on year 1 and another 35,000 pesos. Sorry, this is year 2. Yung second blue column po natin, that's year 2. Another 35,000. Again, this is on top of your monthly bonus and the annual bonus that you can get. Also on top of the Boracay trip or what we call the new platinum seminar. If you still remember for the new platinums, yes po, we still have the new platinum seminar which we always held in Boracay. So yun lang po yung na-add dito. Pinababa lang natin yung income level niya to platinum level. Ayan, so as I've mentioned, if for first-time platinum po kayo, you will get the 35,000 in TTCI income or 2-time cash incentive, plus your PGGI or your annual bonus, plus you are eligible to join the new Platinum Seminar in Boracay. So again, that's for new Platinums. And of course, the new ALS this coming 2026. I think everyone is excited for the ALS Asian Cruise. We will be going to Singapore, Phuket, Thailand, and Penang, Malaysia. So the qualification will start this September. How you will qualify? Very, very easy as well. If you are a new Founders Platinum, new Sapphire, basically new pins po kayo from Founders Platinum, you will be auto-invited. On the second year naman, meaning on 2027, you just need to add 2 frontline queue, meaning meron kayong 2 frontline na nagko-qualify. You will be invited as well. I am more excited about the Comeback Founders Platinum because we have a lot of leaders here na pasok dito sa Comeback Founders Platinum natin. All you need to do is requalify as Founders Platinum this 2026 po, and you will be auto-invited na for the ALS Asian Cruise. Now, for those consistently qualifying naman na hindi first time and hindi Comeback Founders Platinum, you need to add 3 frontline queue on your business. Meaning, kailangan meron kayong 3 frontline na nagko-qualify. Kahit isang tao lang po ito, meaning kahit magka-gold ka lang na frontline sa baba mo, sa group mo, that is also okay. You will be invited. Okay? Again, we are more excited on a Comeback Founders Platinum kasi we are leaning towards those leaders who haven't joined us in ALS in the past 4 to 5 years. Mag-qualify lang po kayo as Founders Platinum, you will be auto-invited na. Wala na yung Timer 1, Timer 2, Timer 3, wala na yung 11,000 Ruby PV, 12,000 Ruby PV, 13,000, 14,000. Scrap that, remove it from your mind, focus on 21%. Yun na yung goal natin, maka 21% starting September 2025. This one, what's next for unpacking? If you've attended the unpacking last August 2 in Timberland, disclaimer lang po ha, the mechanics is not yet final, but we are looking at generating 200 PPV per month, inclusion of Start the Ticks. When we say inclusion, that's a mandatory bundle that you need to purchase every month. So that's 106.82 PV. The remaining PVs po, to meet the 200, any products na. Okay? Now, you need to sponsor 2 frontline ABOs per month with 70 PPV each and do it for 4 months, meaning you start September, October, November, December, and you will get a reward ticket for your ABO ship plus 1 guest again. It will be a different venue kasi our target for this one is a wellness resort trip. So again, disclaimer lang po, the mechanics is not yet final. You will hear or we will release more details about this if there will be any changes or kung ano yung mechanics po natin. Let's see. I think that's it for me. Ayan, I think that's it for me. Anyone po na may question? Let me see yung chat room. Ayan, so I still have 9 minutes to answer your questions. If you have any clarifications or if you have mga questions pa regarding the new incentives that we have, this is the right time for you to raise your question because again, we are only, ilan na ba? We are only 3 weeks away from September. So if you have any clarifications po, you can always reach out to me or you can always ask me po. Do we have the video for ALS already? Asian Cruise, yes, we have a video. I'll share it. Let me see if I can share it now. Hold on. So while I'm waiting for the other file to load or for the video to load po, any question pa po from the team? Any clarification?
Miss Ina, I have a question for. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, Julia. I can hear you.
Okay. Sige, thank you. My question is about the start day, right? No. Start strong. I forget what they said is for the new ABO.
Yes.
Yeah. So for those new ABO who signed up in June, and then they
July.
have 100.
July.
They must be July.
Yes, July. So
If they
July,
start
August.
if they in June, and then the purchase in July cannot be.
No, cannot be. We will only accept those who sign up July because the first payout would be September. So again, if they generate 150 July, August, September, by September as well, they will get the first payout already for the Strong Start incentive. So we will only consider July.
Okay. Now, how about for those who are registered in July, but in July they didn't make a 150? Can they start from August as their
Yes.
first 150? Pwede?
Yes,
Yeah.
pwede.
Okay. Sige. Thank you.
Please encourage them to
I
start
see.
this month.
Okay. Teacher Jerome has a question.
If an ABO is new silver producer, then kapag new founders platinum this fiscal year, new SP plus 10K plus yung TTCI, tama po, correct. Correct. So, dun sa sinabi ni Sir Jerome, if you are a new ABO and then you qualify as first time SP, you get the 10,000. Now, before ka kasi mag Founders Platinum, you will pass through Platinum muna, 'di ba? So if you get to generate or mag-queue ka for 6 times, so you will be new Platinum. You will get the 35,000. You will be eligible to attend as well the Boracay seminar. Now, if tinuloy-tuloy mo pa rin na tinapos mo yung buong taon na queue ka, you will be Founders Platinum. You will get then yung TTCI bonus from Platinum to Founders Platinum. Remember, hindi naman pag yung TTCI kasi is part of annual bonus, hindi naman tayo magre-release ng annual bonus in the middle of the year. So we have to finish the fiscal year. So on this case, sa tanong ni Sir Jerome, yes, makukuha niya yung Platinum and Founders Platinum na TTCI for the first timers. So parang 35 plus 70. Okay? Kuha po ba yon? So madadaan. Correct. Makukuha mo lahat ng bonus if you are a new or first time mong magko-qualify talaga this 2026. I think 2026 yung pinakamarami tayong bonuses na ni-release. Hold on. Ayan. So, any
我找好了，还
Teacher Julia, you are muted.
Hello, Teacher Lily. Can you hear me?